Hey guys, how's it going? AK Moto here. We're here at White Knuckle on the 125. First ride with the race motor here. Freshly built, high compression head and whatnot. And yeah, testing it out here, it's breaking it in. I've already gone for a few rides, so it's pretty much broken in. Of course, I'm not trying to scream it today or nothing, but just trying to get it nice and broken in. And it's mostly broken in now, but here I just wanted to give you guys a quick little few laps so you guys can kind of hear. Now, so far with power change, I'm really noticing it just seems like a lot more power, just low to mid, and only place it took away was in the really high top where you're over revving the bike. There's not a lot of over rev now, but I'm gonna be honest, most of the tracks that I ride anyway are more on the technical side, most notably this White Knuckle. Definitely more on the technical side, so the low to mid to top range power is what will help me best, and the over rev is just kind of an extra, I guess you could say. But yeah, it's running good. Race gas C12, and yeah, I thought I'd take you guys on a few laps. And again, I know I'm gonna get some comments saying, oh, you can't be giving it that much gas. Trust me guys, it's fine. I've already gone on a few break-in runs and it's good to go now. Bike's already warm because I was just messing around on the track a minute ago. But yeah, she sounds really good, and really happy with the end result. Now I still need to figure out the suspension on this bike. It's a little bit springy because I have some stiff springs in the suspension, and yeah, so still have a little tuning to do there. My bars are a little far forward, so I need to move those back, and it's kind of making the front end a little bit twitchy here and there. But overall, having a lot of fun on the old 125. Definitely a big adjustment from the 250 because I got so used to that bike. But yeah, let's start her up and go for a few laps. The jetting's pretty dang good where it is right now. I'd say it's pretty close to perfect for this motor setup. Of course, I'll pull the plug a little later on just so we can get a really good reading. Really good throttle response. Yeah, let's go rip. Track's going to be a little rough today. But that is A-okay. Light case right there. Still adjusting this bike, guys, so these aren't going to be heater laps by any means, because after riding the 250 for so long, hopping back on this bike, definitely a notable difference, that's for sure, without a doubt. Big rips, guys, oh my gosh. When this thing gets up there, throttle response is insane. Definitely pulls a lot harder from the bottom to the mid-top area, and just a little bit more power everywhere, I've noticed. With a little bit of less over rev on the top, like the over rev really high range, but that's kind of to be expected, to be honest, and that's fine with me. Put down a heater lap. A little bit bumpy. Came into that a little fast. Still adjusting to no engine braking at all. Bike pulls so much better to the mid RPM. Before, didn't have a lot to offer going from low to mid transition, but now it's definitely a lot better. Hope you guys have enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one.